Hey friends, this is VTHO and welcome to the Nifty on VeThor. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price on a VeThor was bounced very well from a very long-term support of $0.002, and this was one of those videos. Now, if you take a look at the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that after getting bounced from this long-term support, the price on a VeThor is trying to break out this very long-term resistance of $0.003. That is another very long-term resistance that was previously working as a resistance here and support here and support here. And once again, it is working as a very, very strong resistance for the past few weeks. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to share this very, very massive breakout that is already happened here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of April 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like these are trades that are for high street, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 22nd of April 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Like it read the sell target zone here, here, and then we had a massive rally. Now let's move to the live chart of VeThor, and this is the 7-day time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several months, the price on a VeThor was getting rejected by this up trend line resistance. And by the way, we found this resistance when it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern, a huge falling wedge pattern. Here we found this resistance in the month of June 2022. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here. And this is the most recent rejection that has happened here in the month of January 2025. Then we had a big drop and the price for a while dropped below this support of $0.002, but could not break it down, recovered back. And now for the past several weeks, it is trying to break out the next resistance of $0.003. That has been previously working as a resistance here, support here for several weeks, and resistance here. And here for a few weeks, this $0.003 has been working as support as well. Therefore, again, for the past few weeks, this resistance of $0.003 is again working as a very, very strong resistance. By the way, there is another upcoming resistance on that from 4.5 and goes to $0.005, almost at half cents. It has been previously working as a resistance here and resistance here. And if we move more back, then here it has been working as support and support line here in the month of June 2021. Therefore, this time it can again work as a strong resistance for the price line of VeThor. Now, here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, we had a very, very massive rally, but so far the price line could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that long-term target will be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at 3 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.